So good morning, everyone. Welcome to the inaugural session of Virtual Doctoral Colloquium and Research Scholar Day, Wishlisten 2021. First, I like to play our theme song, which we have created for Wishlisten 2021.
कर्मसु कौशलम् योगा कर्मसु कौशलम् दैके क्षेत्रे वर्णयोगः कर्मसु कौशलम् आदर्शाय प्राणभास्वभायम् योगा.
Now, before starting our proceeding, first we like to pay tribute to all of those who lost their life due to this pandemic, and we also lost one of us, Mr. K.N. Pandey, our senior technical staff. So we like to pay tribute to all of them. So I request everyone to have a 1 minute silence for those who lost their life due to this pandemic. Thank you, everyone. And now we start our proceeding. As we know, knowledge is the best wealth, and no one can steal it, no one can snatch it. It cannot be divided amongst the brother, and it is not heavy to carry. One can spend, it increases, and one can share, it expands. So to learn and acquire knowledge from our experts, teachers, fellow scholars, and all of the participants, we have created this platform of Wishlisten 2021, the Doctoral Colloquium and the Research Scholar Day of jointly organized by Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering and Student Chapter of Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineer, ISE chapter number 660. So on behalf of Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering and ISC student chapter, I Abhishek Pandey with Kriti Karmakar respectfully extend a very warm welcome to you all in Wishlation 2021. We believe that Wishlation 2021 will be a great opportunity for you to acquire knowledge and most importantly to share your knowledge with us. So as we begin our day, it's my pleasure to welcome the dignitaries. First, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Professor Saswat Chakravarti, Dean BTBS, IIT Kharagpur. Welcome you, sir. Then we like to welcome our head of the department and convener of the Wishlation 2021, Professor S.P. Sharma. We welcome you, sir. We like to welcome our research scholar coordinator and the professor in charge of Wishlation 2021, Professor Mamta Jainamani. We welcome you, ma'am. And last of all, we like to welcome our ISC faculty advisor, Professor Sri Krishna Kumar. So we welcome you, sir. We are glad to get Professor Host Antero Gajarai, Professor D. Scott Singh, and Mr. Saurabh Misra as our keynote in the session. So they will have a keynote session to grace this event. I like to welcome you all in the Virtual Doctoral Colloquium and Research Scholar Day Wishlation 2021. Light symbolizes knowledge and purity, and it dispeller of the darkness. Let commence of this auspicious occasion by remembering the blessing of Almighty with the welcome song and virtual lighting of lamp. So I request our chief guest, Professor Shashwat Chakravarti, our head of the department, Professor S.P. Sharma, our research scholar coordinator, Professor Mamta Janamani, and our ISC faculty advisor, Professor Krishna Kumar, to have a virtual dais and have a virtual lighting of lamp. So we request you, sir, to please come on the dais and please inaugurate, please light the lamp, which symbolize the knowledge gained from the darkness.
धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय.
Thank you all. Now I like to welcome our professor and head of the department, Professor S.P. Sharma, to deliver the welcome speech and open Vishleshan 2021. So we like to call Professor S.P. Sharma on the virtual dais, sir. So please.
Thank you, Abhishek, and good morning to all of you. Respected Professor Chakravarti, Dean Biotechnology and Bioscience, my esteemed colleagues, the research scholar of our department and the scholars of the other department and from the other institute, and my dear other students. On behalf of the department and on my own behalf, I welcome all of you for this Vishleshan 2021. In fact, this Research Scholar Day, initially we were thinking of that whether we will conduct this or not. But the students have shown their great zeal and they said that we will conduct this time virtually. I really congratulate you for making such an effort for conducting this Research Scholar Day virtually. Now, this Research Scholar Day we are conducting since 2007, and regularly we are organizing this Scholars Day. It is, in fact, over the years, the number of students, particularly the research scholar, has gone up. And today we have more than nearly 50 scholars are working in our department in various areas of your industrial engineering. I am rather happy to inform you that in this convocation, 18 scholars from our department have got PhD degree, and it was admitted by our Dean BTVS. So for our department, it is really a remarkable achievement. To my knowledge, I think this is the largest number of students who have got PhD degree in one single convocation. I really appreciate all of you for your hard work. Regarding the after getting the degree, there is another aspect of the recruitment of our scholars. Again, I am happy that our research scholars have joined in the various national level institute after completing their PhD degree. They have joined in IITs, many of them have joined in IIMs, and others have joined in NIT, and some others have joined in the leading business schools. It's really a very good, I will say very good actually, the sign for all of us. Now, recently, I have seen a new kind of new trend in the recruitment of the PhD students, that many multinational companies are coming forward for recruiting our PhD scholars. Last year, 3 of our PhD students have joined in the multinational company, a new trend. A new trend has started. In fact, I will say that in the last 2 months, 3 multinational companies have contacted the department for recruiting, particularly the PhD scholars. So my request that see the things have changed and our scholars are now get attention from the industries and they are looking for our PhD scholars. It's really a very, very good news for all of us. The idea of research scholar day is to bring the research scholars into a common platform and to exchange the ideas, to share their research work with the fellow researchers. And I am sure that in the last 13 years we are doing it, and to a great extent we are able to achieve this objective of the Research Scholars Day. Now, our research scholars have moved one step ahead. Now they are not confining their Research Scholar Day within the scholars of the department. They have now invited scholars from the other department of the institute and scholars from the other institute. This time, number of scholars from the other institute have joined and they are going to present their work. So this will definitely help in knowing the other people work and also helping in sharing of the knowledge. My dear scholars, you are the backbone of the department. Without you, we cannot think of organizing any event. I acknowledge your effort and the hard work. Apart from organizing functions, you are taking active participations in while doing the various laboratory classes, while conducting the examinations, and all other academic related activities. I am really thank you very much for your support in running the department. The scholars of the department are doing exceedingly well. They have published good number of international publications. In the last year, nearly more than 50 international publications they have made in the very reputed international journals. The quality of the work you can see from the citations they have received from the scholars of the across the world, and this has proved the quality of your work. I appreciate your effort. At the same time, I will also say that some of the scholars may not have got the same kind of result in their research work. Obviously, this may happen because every research problem is unique and you may not get the same kind of result at the same time. My request to you, please don't be disheartened. You keep on doing your work and definitely success will come. And I am sure that in future you will do much better work. I wish you all the best with a great future. Thank you. Thank you. Your mic is muted, I think. Abhishek.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Thank you, sir, for your speech. Now I like to call upon our chief guest, Dean BTBS IIT Kharagpur, Professor Saswat Chakravarti, on the virtual dais to address the audience. Please, sir.
Respected Professor Sharma, Professor Janamuni, Professor Krishna Kumar, my other faculty colleagues, dear students and other attendees and scholars from other institutes. It's really a pleasure to listen to this inauguration ceremony so far, wherein your head of the department has been all appreciative of the efforts that you have been putting on. And the program that I've received is a packed one. I could feel that you have a lot of programs already scheduled for the day. And I was particularly happy to see that you have clubbed, rightly so, 2 events. Okay, one is the doctoral colloquium and the research scholars day. I'm not sure whether it has been a practice all through, but certainly this is a good one. I guess that gives you an opportunity as scholars of the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering to listen to even dignitaries from far off places, okay, and also to interact with the research scholars on a single day. I thank you for this planning for the event. And I understand that this event of Visleshan has been going on for quite a few years. I don't know exactly whether you have named the Research Scholars Day also as a Visleshan Day. Anyway, but this is a great idea. And in fact, from your departments like Industrial Systems Engineering, or for that matter, the School of Management, we do expect somewhat unconventional ideas and approaches. Unconventional in the sense that the classical engineering approach, I mean, should not be followed every time, everywhere, on every occasion. Life is much beyond engineering. And I guess while pursuing your research problems, you also are keeping this aspect in mind, in the sense that you are also thinking of applying your thoughts, your research outcomes as much as possible to the field, the respective field of application, including the social applications. I was happy specifically that in this edition, you are focusing on 4 themes: data analytics, supply chain management, e-business, okay, occupational health and safety, and engineering product design. While I'm not an expert of your area really, but allow me to guess that topics or themes such as engineering product design is a very important one in the engineering sector. But I also observe, and I believe that the theme of occupational health and safety is probably not focused only on the engineering sector. It does encompass the end users, the people in the society as well. That's what is my belief. But you as research scholars, you know much better than me really. Supply chain management eventually should be designed for the benefit of the end users, the human beings really. So I find the themes to be very relevant, very timely, okay, and I hope that you will enjoy the day while there will be discussions and lectures, presentations around these 4 themes. Lastly, I do expect that there will be cross-pollination of ideas during the poster sessions, wherein the research scholars from other domains, other departments and other institutes will be asking you relevant questions and you will feel happy to answer them, okay, as far as you can. And this process itself will also hopefully trigger some new ideas in your mind really. I wish a grand success to this whole event. I specifically thank the organizers, the organizing students, okay, and the faculty members who have been there at the back end. I hope the whole day is going to be a great success for all of you. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind word, kind speech. Now, I would like to call all the dignitaries to inaugurate our virtual souvenir for Vishleshan 2021. So we will proceed to the virtual dais to open the souvenir. I call. Thank you all. I like to call upon our professor in charge of Vishleshan 2021 and research scholar coordinator, Professor Mamta Janamani, for having a vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Dignitaries on the virtual dais, my colleagues, my dear research scholars, guests, and of course we have 2 sponsors. I welcome you to this function. And now we have come to the end of this inaugural function. Of course, we are going to continue after this for other keynote speeches and all. Now it is my privilege to give vote of thanks to this audience and whosoever has been directly or indirectly helped us. First of all, in spite of his busy schedule, Professor Chakravarti, Dean BTBS, has given a lot of time for us. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind gesture. Our head of the department, Professor Sharma, without whose encouragement, this program would not have been successful. We are thank you, sir. IISc faculty advisor, Professor Krishna Kumar, has always been there with us, and because of his timely advice, things are being possible. This time, because of our virtual platform, we are able to connect with international participants as well as international speakers. We have with us Professor Singh, Professor Jose Antonio, and of course Mr. Saurabh Mishra. I think Mr. Saurabh Mishra is already here. Thank you all, sir, for your keynote speeches. External participants, we are particularly thankful because in spite of this pandemic situation, they have responded to our call and they are with us. Thank you, everyone. And finally, we should not forget our own scholars. our own scholars, of course, it is, I mean, thanking them because of it is their function only. Thanking them really is not so appropriate. However, I thank you all, and I am really proud of you all for very nicely organizing this function. And this function has been sponsored by two sponsors, and one of them is our own past student, Apollonius. His company is Apollonius Consulting, and we have one more sponsor, GetMyResume.in. We are thankful to both of our sponsors. I think with this we are going to wind up our session, and I wish our scholars to be successful in the remaining part of the program. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
I am thankful to Professor Chakrabarty for giving time and coming to the function. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now we like to have a 2-minute break. We just play